equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You will also need a replacement motor specifically designed for the Thermomix TM5. Start by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the base of the Thermomix. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, exposing the internal components. Now, locate the motor. It is typically situated near the center of the unit. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the Thermomix. This will help maintain the appliance's performance and longevity. Using the flathead screwdriver, carefully disconnect the wires attached to the motor. Make sure to note where each wire connects, as you will need to reconnect them to the new motor. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Once the wires are disconnected, use the pliers to remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 2 screws holding the motor down. After removing these screws, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Now, take your new motor and place it into the housing. Secure it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the wires to the new motor, ensuring they are attached to the correct terminals. If you're unsure, refer to the notes you made earlier. After the motor is securely in place and the wires are connected, it's time to reassemble the Thermomix. Place the base back onto the unit and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any issues during operation. Before you plug the Thermomix back in, take a moment to clean the exterior and ensure there are no loose parts. Once you're satisfied, plug the unit back in and test the new motor by turning it on. If it operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Thermomix TM5. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Additionally, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.